Organizing jewelry, earrings, necklaces, and rings. And this is my channel. Thank you for clicking on it. And our Tiny Tidy Tuesday is a collaboration. And Melinda, Plain and Simple, does our playlist. Thank you, Melinda. And the person that created this Tiny Tidy is Sunday Dawn from the Helpful Home. I'm sitting on my bed and I thought I would kind of sort through my earrings as my Tiny Tidy because I've been wearing the same earrings over and over again. I dug these ones out this morning. Haven't worn them for a while. I believe they're handmade. And I bought them in Fernie. In a store up in Fernie, British Columbia. So I've got my little cases of jewelry out here. My dresser for the last few months. So I'm going to put them in the containers here. And we'll fill up this container with pairs. There's a pair. Yeah. Let's see. I know I have both of those. Those are thrifted. They do look pretty on. And I bought these at a local drugstore. They're very pretty. Oh, the hook's falling off that one. Oh, they're off both. So we gotta find the little hook. These are broken. So I'm going to get rid of them. Those are broken. There's a little, thought I saw this one up here somewhere. Maybe not. Nope, that's a square one. That's a square one. And this is a little, almost looks like jade. Anyhow, I know I had both of them. Okay, what do we got in here? Okay, here's the other jade earring. Now I put it in here, didn't I? Sheesh. Just trickier than it looks. Yeah, there it is right there. There it is right there. And these are my bear earrings. And I think I dropped one of those behind the couch. These are my skeleton earrings. There's my bear earring. And nope, that's the one I dropped behind the couch. Okay, here's this pair here. And I think oh no, there's one empty one right there. Now, these guys are missing. Now, these go on those ones. No, they go on these ones. Okay, let's put that in there. Camera on you. There we go. Okay, so this little case is full, but it has some that doesn't have any. Mates, and we have some here that are missing. Oh, here's a couple more pairs, so let's open another one up. This one seems to have this has pairs of earrings. Okay. Okay, we can stick these in there. And those ones in there. And we still got another slot. So I know I have these somewhere. I just have to find them. Those ones right there. So this clears out this little dish. And this little dish goes on my dresser with the teacup on it. And that's where Okay, I've got this little one. And I thought the other one was over here. That's not it. That doesn't go in there. Okay, I thought I saw this one. Okay. I guess I don't have that one either. It's not in this one. Quick check, quick check. Nope, that one doesn't have a bead either, so. Let's just have a quick boo. I don't think there's any spare earrings in here. Some pearls, necklace chains. What's this stuff? That's a necklace. Yeah. These are necklaces. Okay. That one's fine. We can leave it alone. We can leave this one just the way it is. And if I find more stuff, maybe I can put it in there. Because it does have good. Okay, what's this got in it? Okay, here's a beautiful heart that my niece made me. The brass needs some cleaning around the edges. But she used to make this jewelry. I don't know if she still does. She used to make it and sell it. I think it's beautiful. I think this one's full. Oh no, it's got two empty spaces. So let's put these earrings in there. Oh, we were filling these. At this time, I would like to encourage you to subscribe to my channel. And if you like this content, please give me a thumbs up and say hello. I love to know where you're from and how you store your jewelry. Then within here, because I have gold in here, I think. Oh, I don't have gold in it. Oh, I have all kinds of stuff. Oh, we'll just have to go through that. My mom's engagement ring is in here, so I'm going to put my wedding set in here too. Hopefully you can see that. And this is because I took this with me on my travels. So let's just push this down here. Okay. Oh, we got one more case to go through. Let's look at this little case. Let's see. I think it's all rings. Maybe I'll put all the rings. These are all rings. So I'm going to put these rings in here. There's another spot for a ring. Do we have another ring somewhere? Huh. Guess not. I'll do that up. Let's see what's in here. Looks like I have a lot of bracelets, some earrings, some rings. Maybe I'll put these rings in this box. Where's the ring box? Here's the ring box. I should label it. I should label it, is what I should do. There's a ring box. Okay. What do we got in here? That one, that's a pair of earrings. I like these earrings a lot. And we got bracelets and necklaces. This is stuff I took with me to Jodi's one time. Probably ended up with some jewelry from her house. Some of this jewelry did belong to Jodi. She gave it to me. Okay, are these? That's a pair. And there's a pair. And if you look up Chickadee jewelry, and I won those, and they're very pretty. They're leather. So there's another pair of earrings. What else have we got in here? There's this. Oh. And that. And some beaded bracelets. I have many beaded bracelets. I'll have to show you them all. I made a few, and my sister-in-law made a few. This is a brooch. This is an earrings that I like. I'm still filling up this one. Yeah. This is a beautiful heart necklace. Oh, I found my moonstone. Where did the other one go? There it is. Okay, yay, I found the moonstones. I really like these earrings. They belonged to my daughter once. And I guess if she wants them back, she can have them. Anyhow, I'm going to put them in here with these earrings. Now, I might have to move some of the chains, because I'm finding more earrings. And I can move the chains into this one so that I have a case, another case of earrings. Yes, it'll be nice to find my earrings and be able to put them on in the morning. Okay, let's swap this over quick. Oh, this has got rings in it. Let's get rid of the rings. This is off of one of the bears I have that David's mother had. And yes, it is a gun bear, and I want to save that label. Okay, where'd my rings go? Oh, right here in front of me. Right here in front of me. Rings, rings, rings. Always lots of rings. Okay. That's that. Okay, let's swap these over in here, because these are chains, necklaces. Let's take that out of there for a minute. There's a button. I don't know why I'm keeping that button. And then there's a pearl earring. Here's a brooch that my niece bought me. Should start wearing it again. And it's a fiddle. Yep, reminds me of my daddy-o. Okay. Okay, these chains are going in here. Got distracted. Forgot what the heck I was doing. And I'm putting these chains all in here. And some of the pendants are loose because they don't have chains, but then if I go looking for the pendant and the chain, this will be in the same box. You could get a thing to hang these on, but they tarnish more when they're out in the open. That's why some of them are so tarnished. And this is kind of a neat necklace that has a ball on the end of it. And you put essential oil in there so it smells. Or you can put cinnamon stick or something like that. Okay, come here, you. I want this one in here. Okay, let's get all these chains out of here already. Yep. There's the necklace my sister-in-law made me. And there's another. Oh, this is my earring. This is the only thing I bought myself on pilgrimage when we went to Israel for the holy day. And I lost one. I'm heartbroken. So I'm thinking of turning that into a pendant someday. So I think I'll leave it in here with the necklaces. Okay, here's round earrings. They're just going to have to sit on top. Bracelets. What do we got here? We used to have both of those. Oh, geez. These are my X and O earrings. Those are my X and O earrings with little diamonds. Very special to me. That's going to go in here too. These are just fun little earrings. They just kind of sparkle. The 9-pointed star is significant to my faith because we believe there are 9 major religions in the world, and the Baha'i faith is the faith to unify mankind for this day and age. So that could go in with my chains and little bracelets that I have gifted myself or got gifts from my sister-in-laws, my nieces, and my daughter. And this little bracelet that I have on my wrist, you'll see often in my videos. It's got little hearts. It's probably really hard to see. It's got little hearts, and it's called an infinity bracelet. And you put it on and you never take it off again. And my daughter bought that for me. And she got one too. Okay, they go in this bottom drawer. I have red. Those are pajamas. There we go. That's good enough. We will put the chains in first. And the earrings. Because I will be looking for earrings to wear tomorrow. It's pretty easy to see. Could probably take this off if I heat it up, and then I'd be able to see in there. So I might do that someday. I think I'm going to take this little bag and put all my bracelets in it. Put all my little beaded bracelets straight in there. There we go. And now they're put away too. Oh, I got 2 more cases. My rings and necklaces. Oh, I need to put them. These are earrings, necklaces, and rings. Won't fit. So we'll just put it there. There, that's good. That drawer's tidied out. Don't have too much garbage. Well, there's my drawer, nice and tidy with all my jewelry in it. Should be able to find my earrings really easy. And I'd like to thank you for watching this collaboration. Don't forget to watch all the ladies. They'll be in my comments. The list will be in my comments. Thanks again, Belinda, Plain and Simple, for doing this collaboration and putting us in a playlist. And we'll see you all in my next video, which will be Fairy Garden Thursday. Bye!